We are in the last 10 nights, and I want to share one bonus final tip, which may seem pretty obvious for many, which is our technology. We cannot neglect the audio coddies, especially in this current world. We do have Rebat, which has female coddies, and there's also Ladies of Light, I think, under that have female reciters. Rabata, I believe, does it. Even a simple YouTube search could reveal some of those. You can also do it on Quran apps. I personally use Muslim Pro, and on there you can choose audio choices. And this is definitely for when you are just like, I cannot sit down and read, you're super busy. This is the way to go on the car rides. I personally just listen to Surah Kaf, reading along all the way to Juma today, alhamdulillah. So this is really great method to be able to read as much Quran and engage as much as possible. And children can also benefit from this. It's really cool to hear the kid reciters. Let's talk about that. Let's try to get into that a little bit. Yeah, and I think that we can also get one daily verse in just with downloading the Quran app for those who are really just starting out or struggling. It definitely is great to have that constant reminder of a verse of the day, which you can get with an app like Muslim Pro. For more tips like this, follow Soulmate Sis, where I'll be sharing my hacks for Quran completion and check-ins in